New warning. Let's hope it's not a tornado warning. Seattle severe thunderstorm warnings.
The National Weather Service in Billings has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Carter County.
Oh, that's for that storm. It's for that storm right there.
At 6:23 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable.
That's the second one Billings have issued today.
7 miles northwest of ALZADA.
I'm just going to comment on this guy's video.
Moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and baseball south hail. This is the radar indicator.
Rapid City has that thing of 4-inch hail. It's up to grapefruits with that storm.
Flying impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those whose homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted.
Let's hope Rapid City doesn't go tornado warning for BELLE, FOURCHE.
Tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning issued for the same.
The transmitter is located down here in Spearfish. Severe thunderstorm warning is for Lawrence County. I know that for sure. Now make sure.
In a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial.
That's the text from this warning. It's at the grapefruit size hills for northwestern Lawrence, northwestern Butte, and northeastern Crook.
Daylight time for the following county: Carter, Montana.
I'm gonna stay with this here, see if they go tornado warning from Rapid City. New warning. New warning. And I bet you it's from Rapid City this time. I bet you Rapid City just put a tornado warning out for the South Dakota counties.
The National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a severe thunderstorm
warning for
southern Crook County and northeastern Wyoming until 7:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time.
I'm waiting to see what they do with this.
6:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Gihole Reservoir, or 26 miles west of Sundance, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat.
Oh yeah, and there's definitely something going on with this thing.
People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
And I know this is a storm that's tornado warning out from Billings.
Locations impacted include Sundance.
He's looking right at it.
Pine Haven, Carl, Warren.
And I bet you some point Rapid City will put a tornado warning out for this if it keeps doing what it's doing.
Interstate 90 in Wyoming.
Still severe thunderstorm warning.
Markers 153 and 194.
He's the only chaser. Don Murray's the only chaser on the storm right now. And I bet you he's glad he's on that.
And away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for northeastern Wyoming. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Crook, Wyoming.
I think this is the second tornado warning I've seen for Carter County this afternoon.
The National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a